Alright guys, today we've got HP, SOLIZE, and GT-R parts. So, SOLIZE and HP are enabling 3D production of replacement NISMO heritage parts. This is really awesome because I don't know if there's a lot of import fans out there, but the Japanese tuner market is huge all over the world. You got Honda, Nissan, Toyota, you name it. They've got some of the best sports cars which are great for mods from the 90s and 2000s. Now, SOLIZE and HP are partnering to start 3D printing replacement parts for NISMO cars of the past, using multijet fusion systems and PA11 or Nylon 11. For everybody out there asking if you can use nylon for car parts, yes, and we actually have a variety of nylons, high-temp nylons, carbon fiber nylons, even glass-filled nylons on our site at visionminer.com/materials. So yes, you absolutely can. We see people do it every single day. Now, 3D printed parts that they're doing include a plastic harness protector for the R32 Nissan Skyline GT-R. Frankly, a great choice because the R32 is one of the most legendary cars out there. And I remember people back in the 2000s trying to find parts, and even then it was a pretty big challenge. Now, the part is being produced using HP's high reusability PA11, which gives it the strong mechanical properties and, of course, the design flexibility of Additive, so they can change it up. To quote, "We are seeing leaders of industry like Nissan recognize the massive cost implications of storage, molds, and logistics for replacement parts," said John Wayne, head of global commercial business for 3D printing and digital manufacturing at HP. Digital manufacturing is a viable long-term solution for accelerating production, transforming supply chains, and activating industries such as automotive. Set up in 2017, Nissan's Heritage Parts program was designed to help owners of legacy NISMO sports cars, like the R32 and the Silvia, giving them access to maintenance support and parts which have been long hard to get. Like many other industries, Nissan has clearly found that storing old components and discontinued molds can be expensive and inefficient, so they began looking at inventory management, specifically digital inventory. Now, this is actually a huge thing. Any company that makes metal products will often have dies and molds used in production. Now, if this company is an old one like Kirby Vacuums, for instance, having over 100 years of history, imagine the warehouse containing all the molds for each year's model. Now, scale that up to a car company and all the parts involved in that, and, well, we're looking at a ton of warehouse space for molds and stuff that, frankly, probably won't get used that much. Now, one thing that doesn't take a lot of space is that like button. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. It helps us do more of these videos. We really appreciate it. Now, initially, SOLIZE worked with Nissan to identify which parts would benefit most from 3D printing, and then they partnered with HP to optimize their part designs for use in the MJF systems. Once printed, they saw the high quality of the nylon parts, and they also saw the ROI compared to their traditional methods. Now, the part they did effectively showed the flexibility that can be had by switching to a digital inventory, as well as the sustainability benefits of producing parts on demand, rather than producing inventory for future client orders. Digital inventories allow manufacturers to make those spare parts literally on demand, opening the doors to significant reductions in cost and increases in efficiency. As a result, we're actually seeing a lot of companies switching over to just-in-time production. The future is now, y'all, right now. We personally work with a bunch of people doing custom automotive parts, so it's not just the huge conglomerate corporations. Materials like carbon fiber, Nylon 6 are incredible. You don't have to wait for Nissan to print your part in the MJF system. Just pick up a machine and some materials today. Check out all our materials at visionminer.com/materials. We've got a huge selection of engineering filaments and thermoplastics. We've got a rewards program and all the accessories you might need. We specialize in high-temp, high-performance polymers and metal replacements and industrial 3D printers. So if you got any questions, definitely reach out at visionminer.com. Thanks for watching. Have a positive rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Like button, it's down there. You should totally click that like button, or one of these videos. What do we got? We got other videos, lots of stuff going on here. We love you guys. Again, thanks for watching.